Hey everyone, in our busy lives, it is easy to feel dull or struggle with skin tanning. We often turn on expensive products in hopes of achieving perfect glow, but sometimes those products can overshadow our natural beauty and even lead to unhealthy skin habits. So today I want to share some habits and tips which not only enhance your body, but also nourish your body's skin without harsh chemicals. Let's embrace our natural beauty together. Let's get started. Nowadays, acne and facial puffiness are indeed common issues that many people face. For this, Gua Sha can be a great addition to your skincare routine, as it promotes circulation, can help with lymphatic drainage, potentially reducing puffiness. Here's a small tutorial on how to use Gua Sha properly.
Before you start, you want to make sure that your skin is completely clean. I also like to make sure that I've got some good hydration in there as well. And then I use an oil. So I'm going to use Rotary Super Seed Facial Oil. It's got enough richness. The Gua Sha just glides so beautifully when I use this. So I'm just going to apply a few drops. I was confident what I usually would if I was doing my routine. I'm going to put this under my eyes, my eyebrows, and my neck. So I'm just going to show you what I do that just suits me so well, and it will incorporate the massage as well as a lot of acupressure. As far as technique goes, this part is probably the most important, which is when you use a Gua Sha, you don't use it like this. There's not going to be a perpendicular 90-degree angle. You need to use it pressed up against your skin.
Tanned arms. Tanned arms are common issues due to sun exposure. Here are a few tips to prevent and treat tanning efficiently, which are as follows. Sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 before going outside. Protective clothing. Wear long sleeves or breathable fabric while spending extended time outside. Detan pack. Using detan pack once in a week is beneficial. Look for pack with ingredients like lemon water, yogurt, or gram flour, which can help lighten the tan naturally.